SSS made co-participants acquainted with their various successful initiatives. The inhabitants of Goradia village were encouraged to interact with the participants of the Right Shop. The community had elevated their houses from the ground level to restrict the flood water.
ऐसी बात नहीं कि शुरुआत में परेशानियां नहीं हुई थी। कुछ लोग मिलते थे जो कि बिल्कुल मानने को तैयार नहीं होते थे, हमेशा डिमांड रहता था कि क्या मिलेगा क्या नहीं मिलेगा। और बात करते 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 तब जाकर अब ऐसा हुआ है कि लोग बिल्कुल अब ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ अब लोग समझ गए। अब थर्ड ईयर में पहले ये कम्युनिटी बेस्ड था, समुदाय आधारित था। अब हम लोग कोशिश करें कम्युनिटी मैनेज करने के लिए कि लोग खुद अपना सारा काम करें, हमारी जरूरत कम से कम हो। जैसे हमें वहां से हमेशा तो हम वहां रहेंगे नहीं, तो हमें वहां से हटने में आसानी हो।
Under the community-based disaster risk reduction program, Pujaha village poses as the best example for taking up the lead and actively involving itself in the community risk reduction activities. This village is situated in the West Champaranya, where the villagers were tired of migrating from one place to another to escape from flood fury. Along with BDSSS and Caritas India's guidance and training, community came together and learned to be prepared against the disaster. Now, they are ready to fight against the disaster.
लोग बाढ़ आता था, पानी लगता था तो बाहर भाग जाते थे। अब मचान ऊंचा करके जलावन रखते हैं, परिवार रखते हैं, आप भी रहते हैं। जैसे मवेशी का है उसको जैसे खिलाने के वो है जो खोप बांध के रखते हैं, उसको बचाते हैं, पशु को भी खुराक। ऐसे इसीलिए हम लोगों को सब लोगों को फायदा है। हमको देखने से बहुत अच्छा है CBDB के दिन।
और जब से कार्यक्रम चलना शुरू हुआ, नदी भी करीब आ गई है, बच्चे तैरना सीख गए और नाव चलाना सीख गए। और एक फायदा यह है कि पहले हम लोग मछली खरीद के खाते थे, अब घर घर में हथियार है, मछली मारने वाला औजार है, हम लोग मछली मार के खाते हैं।
हमनी के हमारा हमनी का कार्यकर्ता में कार्यकर्ती एगो बने हमनी के को संभव दल बनौले बानी सा। तो हमनी के अपनी में राय कोई नहीं सा जो हमनी के बाढ़ आई तो हमनी के क्या कइल जाई, जो हमनी के सुविधा होई तो हमनी के अपना राय कह के चांदा बिटोर के एगो मचान होले बानी सा, कल ऊंचा बनौले बानी सा। अपनी के अपना माटी भर के अपने चांदा बिटोर के माटी भर के बनौले सा। पाइप किन के आइल बा, बस एक आदमी दे दे के एक चांदा बिटोर के हमनी के बांस होले बानी सा। आ ऊपर बैठे उठे बाढ़ बुढ़ा में बूढ़ पुरानिया बाटे ओकर बहुत दिकदारी, तो बूढ़ पुरानिया बहुत दिकदारी होला। तो ऊंचवा उठा के धइल जाई, चाउर आटा जौन खाना बनावे वाला बा, चिवड़ा नून समूचा ओकरा के पोलोथीन में खूब बढ़िया ये बतौले बानी लोग।
This preparedness, knowledge and education to fight against disaster have made the inhabitants of the Kutai Godaria happy. The community of the Nutan district built roads with the bamboo almost everywhere and built bridges on each canal. They also built a community house to safeguard themselves from flood water. They also elevated Chapakal to easily procure drinking water. So, now all are ready and prepared to defeat and threaten disaster in their own areas. Under the Disaster Risk Reduction Program, various sections of the society were examined and Dalit Watch organization took up the responsibility of educating the socially backward and scheduled caste.
हमारे जो 5-6 पार्टनर जो है दलित वॉच का, हम लोग 10 जिला में काम कर रहे हैं। और ये सिर्फ मॉनिटरिंग का काम नहीं, अभी हम लोग इंफॉर्मेशन एक्शन सेंटर करके हमारा हर जिला में एक सेंटर भी है जहां लोग आकर के अपना जानकारी ले सकते हैं। क्योंकि हम लोगों ने देखा कि जानकारी की कमी से, इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं मिलने से लोगों को अपना जो भी राइट्स है, जो हक अधिकार है, उसको लेने में दिक्कत है।
Dalit Watch is working for the right-based issues of Dalits and most backward communities of the society. They train them to involve them in the panchayat activities and showed them the way to make themselves heard at the panchayat taluka and district level. Community of Sri Harinivas had discussed this with participants of the Right Shop.
लेकिन यहाँ पर ये जो राइट शॉप है इसके दो मुख्य उद्देश्य हैं, जिसका आज एक हम लोगों के सुबह के सेशन में बहुत अच्छा कंक्लूजन भी हुआ, जहां हर चारों एनजीओज ने बारी बारी ये बताया कि बाकी तीनों एनजीओज में हमें क्या अच्छे आइडियाज मिले जो कि हम अपने यहाँ अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, और बहुत फोर्थराइटली बहुत अच्छे ढंग से तीनों एनजीओज ने ये बात बोली। तो ये तो हुआ लर्निंग एजेंडा इस पूरे प्रोसेस का। लेकिन क्योंकि चारों एनजीओज के चुने हुए कार्यकर्ताओं ने एक दूसरे को विजिट किया, तो इस पूरे प्रोसेस में इन लोगों ने जगह जगह सक्सेस स्टोरीज, केस स्टडीज, चैलेंजिंग इश्यूज, प्रोसेस डॉक्यूमेंट्स उनको भी आइडेंटिफाई किया, उसके नोट्स अपने पास रखे, रॉ नोट्स रखे, वापस आके उसको डॉक्यूमेंट किया। और आज और कल की प्रक्रिया में हम लोग ये कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि इन डॉक्यूमेंट्स को एक अगले स्तर तक लेके जाया जा सके, रिफाइनमेंट के, जो डॉक्यूमेंट एनजीओज के भी काम आएगा इनके अपने काम को अच्छे ढंग से प्रेजेंट करने के लिए।
Under the able guidance of Mr. Akhilesh Chaturvedi, who is associated with ASK, the revised drafting of Right Shop commenced. Everyone shared their personal and group views and opinions with other participants. Thought analysis and the thought process was also part of this Right Shop. The answers to the question that had been cropped up in the beginning of the Right Shop started springing up on their own towards the end of Right Shop.
जब से CBDP कार्यक्रम चलना शुरू हुआ तब से बहुत बदलाव आया है। अब हम हैं ठीक है, लेकिन अपने पड़ोसी के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, अपने गांव के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, और एक दूसरे के सुख सुविधा में सभी लोग शामिल हो रहे हैं। और उसके बाद से गांव का संगठन जो है मजबूत हुआ है।
हाँ जी, लड़ सकते हैं अब, इसीलिए सभी, हाँ जितनी दल बनी हुआ है सभी लोग बाढ़ के लड़ने से सभी लोग तैयार है, इसीलिए मचान वगैरह सब तैयार करके रखते हैं। अब नहीं किसी पास भाग के कोई जाता है, यहीं पर सब लोग रहते हैं।
I think we started with community managed disaster risk reduction programs quite recently, about 2 years ago in this area. But what you can already see is that people, they're much better organized now in their village. They take joint action. They take a lot of measures also to prepare their families for the floods.
One truth came out from this Right Shop, that there is a solution to save losses due to disaster. It is important to have awareness and understanding of disaster preparedness and how we are ready. It is better to be prepared. It is proven that preparedness is more beneficial than relief and recovery work done after disaster strikes. All participating organizations have done such unique experiment in the affected areas, and they are quite successful. They made disaster risk reduction integration to the life of community, and community has adopted it as a part of their life. Children to elderly people are part of the process, and now this is their life. They are ready for any disaster. We are always ready and prepared. We know that how to prevent against disaster. This is beginning with proud self-confidence, brotherhood, leadership and responsibility.
Whatever we do at the national level, but ultimately it is the local level that is important. Because you may have a very grand national program, but the program has to be implemented at the local level. So it is not merely the implementation of national program, but also the development of the national program. For example, we prepare a national scheme. Now, how the scheme is prepared? The scheme is prepared on the basis of the experiences gained through small pilot projects, like the kind of projects that you are doing. In fact, you see that entire community-based disaster management system in India, initially it started at a small level, at a local level. And the experiences that field workers gained with that, and the successes you achieved that, then we tried to further upscale it, replicate this. I think a Right Shop product, if it is properly documented, it gives an extremely valuable insight into the experiences that you are getting, because policy makers, whether they are at the state level or at the national level, they do not always have the time to, have the similar kind of process that you are going. They cannot spend a month or 2 months there in the field. but you are doing it. So experiences that you are gaining, and if you write it properly, document it that properly, so that gives us an insight into that. That's why it is so important. Thank you.
In the light of the recent flash which we had in Ladakh, and the kind of film and presentation which you did today for us, I think we find it really very useful. It would be very useful to prepare the people to, avoid, look before you have a tragedy, before you have a calamity. If you are fully prepared for it, you can really, in one way, prevent many disastrous consequences of a calamity. In that sense, it's a very good thing. For us, it is very useful because we already have a very strong community sense at our place, We have the mechanisms, the infrastructures, the traditional system. So it would further strengthen that system, and further arrest the kind of, deterioration right now you see with the modern thing, with materialism coming into it. So it would be very useful in the Ladakh's context as well to prepare people for such eventualities.
I think this particular documentary was a very powerful and balanced. It covered all aspects of documentation and perspectives in a context of a village. So right from the marginalized to the basic aspects of how to rebuild lives and be prepared also in terms of disaster preparedness. So I think it's a very important process by which it can be communicated to people from any background, from someone who's educated, who's not educated also. So I think it's very crucial that the visual medium and these kind of methods are used for bringing this perspective forward. Communication is important, and I think this kind of workshop as an institute that is involved in this kind of process, is committed to this kind of philosophy, I think is extremely important. I think this should be used in all forms in any institution that is either involved in academics or field action, taking knowledge to society.
What is the system we are adopting to optimize the layout, optimize the outputs, what we are doing? That should be taken from the different sectors, and that can be used for the whole system. So normally in one sector what the efforts we are doing, it is useful for different area or not, and whether we should use this type of system in different sector or not. After all, RightsOp method is definitely, it's a system based analysis.